Hi guys, Eric here with Stealth Mode. So I just picked up my tractor from Ventrac. Yeah, so we had some pretty significant issues that came up during the last snowstorm. I was using the sweeper on sidewalks, and I noticed there was a trail of hydraulic fluid behind me on the sidewalk. So then I quick tried to make it back to the trailer, and I felt like the steering kind of go loose, like there's air in the lines. Then right when I got back to the trailer, the back wheels hit the trailer ramp, and then everything went dead. So there's no hydraulic fluid left in the unit apparently. Yeah, so then I looked under and I could just see hydraulic fluid gushing out of the bottom of the motor from somewhere. Wasn't sure where. So then I used a ratchet strap to pull this thing into my trailer so I could bring it to Ventrac, which was quite the process. I would have to rock the tractor and get it up a little bit higher, then I'd hit the e-brake and then go and strap the ratchet strap up and then release the parking brake and try to rock it up higher and kind of go back and forth between the pushing the tractor and using the ratchet strap to hold it in place, and finally got it in the trailer. But the issue that happened is there is back here, or right behind the motor here, there is a hydraulic line where there's a fitting where the fitting came loose, and then the O-ring blew out, causing all the hydraulic fluid to come out. So that was pretty annoying. Luckily, my Ventrac dealer was really good about getting it in there and getting it fixed. They did have it for a few days, but it got fixed. So hopefully that's not going to be an issue in the future. But on the bright side, while we were in there getting it fixed, my cab came in, so they put the cab on, which is super cool. We kind of hit a turning point in my business. Up until now, everything that we bought for the business has been to either increase efficiency or make the job easier. And now we are finally at a point where we can start investing in luxury items. What I would consider a cab a luxury item, to kind of stay warm and out of the elements while doing snow removal. I talked to my wife about getting a cab a few years back, and she thought it was a good idea. I was like, hey, you should get a cab. And then she asked how much it was, and I told her about $8,000. And she said, yeah, no, that's not going to happen. The very next day, she came home with a pair of ski goggles and told me that they were a cab for my eyes, which they did help a lot, but it's kind of funny that that was the solution she came up with. But yeah, so right now we're going to take it out for a test drive and make sure everything is working properly. Yep, so stand by. Before we go out and test the Ventrac, I'm going to put a sneak preview of a video that I've been working on, of a truck bed that I'm building for my Ford Ranger for lawn care. So here you go. Working on another project. I'm building a truck bed on my Ranger before I start my second lawn crew. So stay tuned for a video on that we are working on right now, which should be coming out in the next week or so. So right now what we're going to do is we're just going to go test out the hydraulic system. We're going to clear a couple driveways and maybe some city sidewalks and stuff and just see how it goes. Well, we're back. So it does seem like there might be some air in the lines, because every once in a while when I try to turn the sweeper, it doesn't really want to go, and I have to work the joystick back and forth a little bit, and then it starts going. But the cab is really nice. It is not that cold out right now, but even still, with it being 35 degrees, it still felt really nice having the heated cab in there and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching.